everyone, and welcome to a new review. Today I'm going to show you my favorite laundry stain remover. I never heard of a stain remover that has 5-in-1 stain removers covered in one bottle, but this Oxiclean MaxForce laundry stain remover has exactly this, and it attacks the toughest stains that you have in your clothes. It attacks grass stains, blood stains, food stains, drink stains, grease, oil, soil, whatever stain you have on your clothes. This is very helpful to get the stain completely out your clothes. And the crazy thing that I never seen before is that you can spray your stains and let it sit for maximum 1 whole week to let this stain removal work on your clothes. And yeah, you can use it on fresh stains and you can use it on dried stains. And if you have a stain that is fresh but you don't have nothing else to put in the washing machine right now, then you can just let it sit. You can just let it spray it and let it sit and wait until you wash clothes. So that is pretty amazing. I think the longer you let it sit there, the better it works. And I am having some clothes from my daughter. She is eating and she is making a mess often with her food. She got stains right here. She got stains right here. This is mainly food stains. And this pants here is stains from outside, from the dirty floor, from dirt, from the grass, and so on. And I'm going to spray this right now. Some are older stains, some are newer stains, and I got a shirt that I already washed without using that stain spray, and it has some I don't know if you see this pretty good, but it's like kind of orange here, and it has some sprinkles here, over here. Yeah, so it's from her food, and it didn't come out because I didn't use stain remover. And now I'm going to try to wash all these clothes using the Oxiclean MaxForce stain remover. So all you have to do is you are going to just spray directly on the stain. Okay, it will be helpful to open it first, and you just spray on the stain. It's like super easy. You don't need a lot. The bottle is small, but you really don't need a lot, and you should let it sit for a minimum 5 minutes, and then you can wash it. Or like I said, you can also just wait a little longer or up to a whole week and let this wonderful product work. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait a few minutes and put everything together with her other clothes that don't have so many stains in the washing machine, and then I'm going to show you the results of this later. So as I said, you can just spray this directly on the stains. You should if you have like a carpet floor or something, you should test it out on a spot that you can't see, if it doesn't damage your carpet. I'm just using it here on some tiles floor, so I can just wipe it off. Just spraying that whole spot where the stains are. I'm really looking forward to see the result of this shirt here because the stains are older. Yeah, and I just love this stain remover. It just works super good. It works on all types of stains. I had never had a stain that didn't come off from this Oxiclean stain remover. They also have refill bottles, so you don't need to buy a complete new spray bottle. You can just buy a refiller. And yeah, this is my favorite stain remover. I'm always going to use. Okay, so that was it. And yeah, let me wash my clothes. And also you should wash it on the highest the hottest water the fabric will accept. So if your fabric says this and this, then you should really not wash it any colder than it is supposed to be, because then it just works best. So let's see the results later after I'm washing clothes. Okay, my laundry is done, and as you can see, I got my 3 pieces here, and the stains are off. I didn't go through all the stuff yet because I gotta hang everything up, and it's all my daughter clothes, so it's a lot of stuff. But as you can see, there's no more stains here. Here it was super dirty on the knee part, and you see maybe a little brown shade here still. But this is, if I would have used that Oxiclean and let it sit on the clothes a little longer, it will probably have gone. But you don't even see it the right way. So actually these pants look just white. And also here, there's no stains no more in this one. This was the one that was super dirty. So all the stains are out. And I highly recommend you buying Oxiclean MaxForce laundry stain remover. Also, my clothes smell super good, so a lot of people commented that that the clothes smell like the stain remover and has a strong smell to it. I don't see it like this. I think the clothes smell like your washing powder, whatever you use, and I don't really smell the stain remover on it. So I highly recommend you buying this product, and thank you for watching the video.